Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Mortal Shell 2 and your game is stuck on a black screen, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Mortal Shell 2 stuck on black screen easily. So first off, you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write your app data. Now you're going to go into local, you're going to go into Mortal Shell 2, saved, save games, and then you're going to have both of these files here, enhance input user settings, and then Sparta game settings. You're just going to delete both of these files from here. Don't worry, they don't store your save files, they just store your game settings. So delete it from here. And then you're going to open up your games folder. Sparta, Mortal Shell 2, binaries, Win64. Right click on the Mortal Shell 2 exe, properties, compatibility. Click on run this program as an administrator and also click disable full screen optimizations. After that, click apply, OK, and close this up. Now you're going to go into your NVIDIA's control panel. So right click on your desktop, go into NVIDIA app. I'm going to show you AMD afterwards. You're going to click onto system, advanced, turn on debug mode. What debug mode does, it resets any overclocks that you may have set on your graphics card. So just turn on debug mode. Now onto AMD, right click on your desktop, open up AMD Adrenalin Edition, and then go into performance, tuning, and make sure tuning control is set to default so no overclocks or underclocks should be running on your graphics card again. Now close this up. You're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write your graphics settings. Click on add desktop app here. Go to your Mortal Shell 2's games folder again. Add the exe file into here. Find it in the listing. Click on GPU preference, set it to high performance. After that, close this up. Open up your games platform. Right click on Mortal Shell 2. Click properties, install files, click verify and tag your game files here. And once you're done with that, now you should be able to play the game and it won't be stuck on that black screen problem anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.